Hey friends, if you wish to fix Ntoskrnl.exe blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before anything else, let us understand that it is due to a missing file. So our first approach would be an SFC scan before anything else. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager and then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on it and select update drivers. The next one is Windows memory diagnostic test. So search for memory in the Windows search bar and then go to Windows memory diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. Last solution is a clean boot. How would we do that? So for clean boot, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then go to system configuration. Go to services, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If other services are on, then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.